Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, Chapter 5, Text 102. तार नाभि पद्म हैते उठिल एक पद्म सेई पद्म हैल ब्रह्मार जन्म सत्म. तार his नाभि पद्म lotus navel हैते from उठिल grew एक one padma lotus flower sei padme on that lotus haila there was brahmar of Lord Brahma janma sadma the place of birth. From his navel grew a lotus flower which became the birthplace of Lord Brahma. Text 103. sei padma nale haila 14 bhuvan teho brahma haya srishti karila srijan. See Padmanali within the stem of that lotus flower, Haila were Chauda Bhuvana, the 14 worlds. Teho, he himself, Brahma, Haya, appearing as Brahma, Srishti, the creation, Karila Srijana, created. Within the stem of that lotus were the 14 worlds. Thus, the Supreme Lord as Brahma created the entire creation. विष्णु रूप हैया करे जगत पालने गुणातीत विष्णु स्पर्श नाही माया गुणे. Vishnu Rupa, the form of Lord Vishnu, Haya, becoming, Kari, does, Jagat Palani, maintenance of the material world, Gunatite, beyond the material qualities, Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, Sparsha, touch, Nahi, not, Maya Gune, in the material world. And as Lord Vishnu, he maintains the entire world. The Lord Vishnu, being beyond all material attributes, has no touch with the material qualities. Sri Baldev Vidyabhushan purport. Sri Baldev Vidyabhushan says that although the Vishnu is predominating deity of the quality of goodness in the material world, he is never affected by the quality of goodness, for he directs that quality simply by his supreme will. It is said that all living entities can derive all good fortune from the Lord simply by his will. In the Vaman Puran, it is said that the same Vishnu expands himself as Brahma and Shiva to direct the different qualities. Because Lord Vishnu expands the quality of goodness, he has the name Sattvatanu. The multifarious incarnations of Kshirodakshay Vishnu are known as Sattvatanu. Therefore, in all Vedic scriptures, Vishnu has been described as being free from all material qualities. In the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Harir hi nirguna sakshat purusha prakriti para sarvadrik upadrishta tambhajan nirguno bhavit. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Hari is always uncontaminated by the modes of material nature, for he is beyond the material manifestation. He is the source of knowledge of all the demigods headed by Lord Brahma, and he is the witness of everything. Therefore, one who worships the Supreme Lord Vishnu also attains freedom from the contamination of material nature. Bhagavad Gita 10.88.5. Bhagavatam 10.88.5. One can attain freedom from the contamination of material nature by worshipping Vishnu, and therefore he is called Sattvatanu, as described above. Rudra Rupa Dhari Kare Jagat Samhara Srishti Striti Pralay Chaya Yahara. Rudra Rupa, the form of Lord Shiva, Dhari, except, Kare, does, Jagat Samhara, annihilation of the material world, Srishti Sthiti Pralaya, creation, maintenance, and annihilation, Ichchaya, by the will, Yahar, of whom, assuming the form of Rudra, he destroys the creation. Thus, the creation, maintenance, and dissolution are created by his will. Maheshwar or Lord Shiva. Purport. Maheshwar or Lord Shiva is not an ordinary living being, nor he is equal to Lord Vishnu. Effectively comparing Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, the Brahma Samhita says that Vishnu is like milk, whereas Shiva is like yogurt. Yogurt is nothing but milk, but nevertheless, it is milk also. हिरण्यगर्भ अंतर्यामी जगत कारण यार अंश करी करे विराट कल्पण. हिरण्यगर्भ अतः अंतर्यामी, the super soul, jagat karan, the cause of material world, yar amsh kari, taking as his expansion, kari, does, virat kalpana, conception of the universal form. He is the supreme super soul, Hiranyagarbha, the cause of material world. The universal form is conceived as his expansion. हेन नारायण यार अंशेर अंश से प्रभु नित्यानंद सर्व अवतंश. हेन such Narayan, Lord Narayan, yar, of whom amshir, of the plenary part, amsha, a part, say that Prabhu, the Lord Nityananda, Sarva Avatamsha, the source of all incarnations. That Lord Narayan is the part of plenary part of Lord Nityananda Balaram, who is the source of all incarnations. दोषण श्लोक दशम श्लोकेर अर्थ कैला विवरण एकादश श्लोकेर अर्थ शोना दीयमान दशम 10th श्लोकेर of the verse अर्थ meaning kaila have done vivaran ekadash 11th श्लोकेर of the verse अर्थ meaning shona please hear diyamana with the mind. I have thus explained the 10th verse. Now please listen to the meaning of 11th verse with all your mind. यस्य आंश परात्मखिलानां पोष्टविष्णुर्भाति दुग्धाभिषायि क्षौणी भर्ता यत्कलासु अपि अनन्तस् तं श्रीनित्यानन्दरामं प्रपद्ये. Yasya, whose amsha, a portion of the portion of a plenary portion, para atma, the super soul, akhilanam, of all living entities, poshta, the maintainer, Vishnu, bhati, appears, dugdhabdishai, kshirodakshai Vishnu, kshoni, bharta, the upholder of earth, yat, whose, kala, portion of portion, sah, he, api, certainly, anta, anantah, sheshanagatam, to him, Sri Nityananda Ramam, to Lord Balaram in the form of Lord Nityananda, Prapadye, I surrender. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the feet of Sri Nityananda Ram, whose secondary part is Vishnu lying in the ocean of milk. That Kshirodakshaya Vishnu is the super soul of all living entities and the maintainer of all universes. Sheshanag is his further subpart. नारायणीर्नाभीनाल मध्ये ते धरणी धरणीर मध्ये सप्त समुद्र ये गाणी. Narayanir of Lord Narayan Nabhinal, the stem from the navel Madhye te within Dharani, the material planets, Dharanir Madhye among the material planets, Sapta 7, Samudra ocean, Ye Gani they count. The material planets rest within the stem that grows from the lotus of the Lord Narayan. Among those planets are 7 oceans. Tahak Kshirodadi मध्ये श्वेतद्वीप नाम पलयिता विष्णु तारसे निज धाम. Within that Shuddha Kshira Udadi Madhye, in the part of ocean known as the ocean of milk, Shvetadvipa Naam, the island named Shvetadvip, Palayeta Vishnu, the maintainer, Lord Vishnu, Tara of him say that Nijadhama, own residential quarters. There, in the part of ocean of milk, lies Shvetadvip, the abode of sustainer, Lord Vishnu. In the Siddhanta Shiromani, an astrological text, the different oceans are described as follows: the ocean of salt water, the ocean of milk, the ocean of yogurt, the ocean of clarified butter, the ocean of sugarcane juice, the ocean of liquor, the ocean of sweet water. On the southern side of ocean of salt water is the ocean of milk, where the Lord Kshirodakshaya Vishnu resides. He is worshipped there by demigods like Brahma. सकल जीवेर तेहु हय अंतर्यामी जगत पालक तेहु जगतेर स्वामी. Sakal, all jiver of the living entities, Tiho, he, Haya, is Antahyami, the super soul, Jagat Palana, the maintainer of the material world, Tiho, he, Jagatera Swami, the lord of the material world. He is the super soul of all living entities. He maintains this material world and he is its lord. The Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Purva 2.3642, gives the following description of Vishnu Loka within this universe, quoted from Vishnu Dharmottara. Above Rudraloka, the planet of Lord Shiva, is the planet called Vishnu Loka. 400,000 miles is in circumference, which is inaccessible to any mortal living being. Above that Vishnu Loka and east of the Sumeru hill is a golden island called Mahavishnu Loka. In the ocean of salt water, Lord Brahma and other demigods sometimes go there to meet Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu lies there with the goddess of fortune, and it is said that during the 4 months of rainy season he enjoys sleeping on that Sheshanaga bed. East of Sumeru is the ocean of milk, in which there is white city on a white island, where the Lord can be seen sitting with his consort Lakshmiji on a throne of Shesh. That feature of Vishnu also enjoys sleeping during the 4 months of rainy season. The Shvetadvipa in the Milk Ocean is situated just south of the ocean of salt water. It is calculated that the area of Shvetadvip is 200,000 square miles. This transcendently beautiful island is decorated with the desire trees to please Lord Vishnu and his consort. There are references to Shvetadvip in the Brahmand Purana, Vishnu Purana, Mahabharata, and Padma Purana, and there is following reference in Srimad Bhagavatam 11.15.18. Shvetadvipa pato chittam shuddhe dharma mayi dharayan Tatam Yati Sat Urmirahito Narah. My dear Uddhava, you may know that my transcendental form of Vishnu in Shvetadweep is identical with me in divinity. Anyone who places this Lord of Shvetadweep within his heart can surpass the pangs of 6 material tribulations: hunger, thirst, birth, death, lamentation, and illusion. Thus one can attain his original transcendental form. युग मन्वंतरे धरी नाना अवतार धर्म संस्थापने करे अधर्म संहार. Yuga Manvantare, in the ages of millenniums of Manu Dhari, accepting Nana various avatar incarnations, Dharma Samstapana Kare, establishes the principles of religion, Adharma Samhara, vanquishing irreligious principles. In the ages and millenniums of Manu, he appears as different incarnations to establish the principles of real religion and vanquish the principles of irreligion. The Lord of Vishnu lies in the ocean of milk, incarnates himself in various forms to maintain the laws of cosmos and annihilate the cause of disturbance. Such incarnations are visible in every Manvantar, that is, in the course of reign of each Manu, who lives for 71,471 multiplied by 4,32,000 4320000 years. 14 such Manus take their birth and die to yield a place for the next during one day of Brahma. देवगणे न पाय यहाँ दर्शन क्षीरोदक तीरे याय करेण स्तवन. Devagane, the demigods, not pay get यहाँ whose darshan sight Kshirodak tire, on the shore of the ocean of milk, yae go karena stavan, offer prayers. Unable to see him, the demigods go to the shore of ocean of milk and offer prayers to him. The denizens of heaven who live in the planetary systems, beginning from the Swarloka, cannot even see Lord Vishnu in Shvetadweep. Unable to reach the island, they can simply approach the beach of the milk ocean to offer transcendental prayers to the Lord, appealing to him on special occasions to appear as an incarnation. तबे अवतारी करे जगत पालन अनंत वैभव तार नहीं का गणन. तबे at that time अवतारी descending करे does jagat palan, maintenance of the material world. Ananta, unlimited vaibhav, the opulences tar of him nahi ka, there is not ganan, counting. He then descends to maintain the material world. His unlimited opulences cannot be counted. Sei Vishnu hai yar amsha amsher amsha, sei Prabhu Nityananda sarva avatamsha. Say that Vishnu, Lord Vishnu hai is yar whose amsha amsher of the part of the plenary part, amsha part. Say that Prabhu, Lord Nityananda Sarva Avatamsha, the source of all incarnations. That Lord Vishnu is but a part of plenary portion of the Lord Nityananda, who is the source of all incarnations. The Lord of Shvetadweep has immense potency for the creation and destruction. Sri Nityananda, being Baladeva himself, the original form of Sankarshana, is the original form of Lord of Shvetadweep. Say Vishnu Shesha Rupe Dharena Dharani, Kaha Che Mahi Shere Henaya Nahi Jani. Say that Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, Shesha Rupe, in the form of Lord Shesha, Dharena carries Dharani, the planets. Kaha, where Ache are Mahi, the planets. Shire, on the head. Hena Nahi Jani, I cannot understand. That same Lord Vishnu in the form of Lord Shesha holds the planets upon his heads, although he does not know where they are, for he cannot feel their existence upon his head. Sahasra Vistirna Yar Fanar Mandala Suryajini Mani Gane Kare Jalamal. Sahasra thousands Vistirna spread Yar whose Fanar of hoods Mandala group. Surya, the sun, Jini, conquering, Mani Gana, jewels, kare, do, chalamala, glittering. His thousands of extended hoods are adorned with dazzling jewels, surpassing the sun. Panchashat koti yojana prithvi vistar, yar ek fane rahe sarshap akar. Panchashat 50 koti 10 millions, 8 yojana 8 miles, prithvi of the universe vistar, breadth, yahar whose ekafane on one of the hoods rahi stays sarshap akar, like a mustard seed. The universe, which measures 500 million yojanas in diameter, rests on one of his hoods like a mustard seed. The Lord of Shvetadweep expands himself as Sheshanag, who sustains all the planets upon his innumerable hoods. These huge global spheres are compared to grains of mustard resting upon the spiritual hoods of Sheshanag. The scientist's law of gravity is a partial explanation of Lord Sankarshana's energy. The name Sankarshana has an etymological relationship to the idea of gravity. There is reference to Sheshanag in Srimad Bhagavatam, where it is said, Yam ahur asya sthiti janma samyamam tribhir yam anantam rishyah naveda siddhartam iva kvachit sthitam bhumandalam murdha sahasradhamasu. O my Lord, the hymns of Vedas proclaim that you are the effective cause for the creation, maintenance, and destruction. But in fact, you are transcendental to all limitations and therefore known as unlimited. On your thousands of hoods rest the innumerable global spheres, like the grains of mustard, so insignificant that you have no perception of their weight. Bhagavatam further says 5.25.2 Yasyedam Kshiti Mandalam Bhagavato Anantamurte Sahasra Shirashah Ekasmin Eva Shirshani Dhriyamanam Siddhartha Ivalakshate. Lord Anantadev has thousands of wood, each sustains a global sphere that appears like a grain of mustard. सेत अनंत शेष भक्त अवतार ईश्वरेर सेवा बिन नाही जाने यार. Seeth that Ananta, Lord Ananta Shesha, the incarnation Shesha, Bhakta Avatar, incarnation of a devotee, Ishwarera Seva, the service of Lord, Vena, without, Nahi, not, Jane, knows, or anything else. Daitanand Shesh is a devotee incarnation of Godhead. He knows nothing but the service of Lord Krishna. Srila Jiva Goswami in his Krishna Sandarbha has described Sheshanag as follows. Sri Ananta Dev has thousands of faces and is fully independent, always ready to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He waits upon him constantly. Sankarshan is the first expansion of Vasudeva, and because he appears by his own will, he is called Swarat, fully independent. He is therefore infinite and transcendental to all limits of time and space. He himself appears as thousand-headed Shesh. In the Skanda Purana, in the Ayodhya Mahatmya chapter, the demigod Indra requests Lord Shesha, who was standing before him as Lakshmana, please go to your eternal abode Vishnu Loka where your expansion Shesha with his serpentine hoods is also present. After thus dispatching Lakshmana to the regions of Patala, Lord Indra returned to his abode. This quotation indicates that Sankarshana of the quadruple form descends with Lord Rama as Lakshmana. When Lord Rama disappears, Shesha again separates himself from the personality of Lakshmana. Shesha then returns to his own abode in the Patal region and Lakshmana returns to his abode in Vaikuntha. The Laghu Bhagavatamrita gives the following description. The Sankarshan of the second group of quadruple forms appears as Rama, taking with him Shesha, those who bears the global spheres. There are two features of Shesha. One is bearer of the globes and other is bedstead servitor. The Shesha who bears the globes is a potent incarnation of Sankarshan and therefore he is sometimes also called Sankarshana. The bedstead feature of Shesha always presents himself as an eternal servitor of the Lord. Sahasravadani kare Krishna guna gana niravadi guna gana anta nahi pana. Sahasravadani, in thousands of mouths Kari does Krishna Guna Gana, chanting of the holy attributes of Krishna, Niravadi, continuously Guna Gana Gaya, chanting of the transcendental qualities Anta Nahi Paiya, does not reach the end. With his thousand of mouths, he sings the glories of Lord Krishna, but although he always sings in that way, he does not find an end to the qualities of the Lord. सनकादि भागवत सुने यार मोखे भगवानेर गुण कहे भास प्रेम सुखे. Sanakadi, the great sages headed by Sanaka, Sanand, etc. Bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam Shune, hear Yaramokhe, from whose mouth Bhagavanero, or the personality of Godhead, Guna, attributes, Kahi, say, Bhase, float, Prema Sukhe, in the transcendental bliss of love of Godhead. The four Kumaras hear Srimad Bhagavatam from his lips, and they in turn repeat it in the transcendental bliss of love of Godhead. छत्रपाडुक संज्ञा उपधान वसन आराम आवास यज्ञ सूत्र सिंहासन छत्र अम्ब्रेला पाडुक स्लीपर्स शय्या बेड उपधान पिल्लो वसन garments आराम resting chair आवास residence यार सूत्र sacred thread सिंहासन throne. He serves Lord Krishna assuming all the following forms: umbrella, slippers, bedding, pillow, garments, resting chair, residence, sacred thread, and throne. एत मूर्ति भेद करी कृष्ण सेवा करे कृष्णेर शेष तापय्या शेष नाम धरे. एत so many मूर्ति भेद different forms करी taking कृष्ण सेवा करे serves Lord Krishna कृष्णेर of Lord Krishna शेषता ultimate and paya having reached Sheshanam Dhare assumes the name Sheshanag. He is thus called Lord Shesha for he has attained the ultimate end of servitude to Krishna. He takes many forms for the service of Krishna and thus he serves the Lord. Seita Ananta Yar कहीं एक काल हेन प्रभु नित्यानंद के जाने तार खेल. Say that Ananta Lord Ananta Yar of whom kahi I say ek kaal one part of the part in such Prabhu Nityananda Lord Nityananda ke who jane knows tar his khela pastimes. That person of whom Lord Ananta is a kala or part of the plenary part is Lord Nityananda Prabhu who therefore can know the pastimes of Lord Nityananda. ये सब प्रमाणे जानी नित्यानंद तत्व सीमा ताह के अनंत कही की तार महिमा. ये सब all these pramane by the evidences jani I know Nityananda Tattva Seema, the limit of the truth of Lord Nityananda. Taha ki to him, Lord Nityananda Balaram, Ananta, Lord Ananta Kahi. If I say Kitare Mahima, what glory do I speak about him? From these conclusions we can know the limit of the truth of Lord Nityananda. But what glory is there in calling him Ananta? अथव भक्तिर वाक्य मानी सत्य करी सकल संभवे ताटे याते अवतारी. Otherwise bhaktir vakya, anything spoken by a pure devotee, mani I accept satyakari as truth, sakala everything sambhavi possible tate in him yate since avatari the original source of all incarnations, but I accept it as the truth because it has been said by devotees. Since he is the source of all incarnations, everything is possible in him. अवतारी अभेद ये जाने पूर्वे यही कृष्णा के केहू काहू करी माने. अवतारी an incarnation and the source of all incarnation abhid identical ye jane anyone who knows purve formerly yeche just as Krishna ke unto Lord Krishna kehu somebody kaho somewhere kari making mane accepts. They know that there is no difference between the incarnation and the source of all incarnations. Previously Lord Krishna was regarded in the light of different principles by different people. केहो करे कृष्ण साक्षात नर नारायण केहो कहे कृष्ण है साक्षात वामन केहो कहे समन से कृष्ण लॉर्ड कृष्ण साक्षात डायरेक्टली नर नारायण लॉर्ड नारायण केहो कहे समन से कृष्ण है कृष्ण इज साक्षात वामन लॉर्ड वामन देव. Some said that Krishna was directly Lord Narayan and some called him Lord Vamana Dev incarnate. केहू कहे कृष्ण क्षीरोदाक्षाई अवतार असंभव नाही सत्य वचन सबार. केहू कहे समन से कृष्ण लॉर्ड कृष्ण क्षीरोदशाई अवतार the incarnation of Lord Vishnu lying in the ocean of milk. असंभव नाही there is not impossibility satya true vachana sabar everyone's statement. Some called Lord Krishna an incarnation of Lord Kshirodakshai. All these names are true, nothing is impossible. कृष्ण यबे अवतारे सर्वांश आश्रय सर्वांश आशीतबे कृष्णेत मेलय. कृष्ण लॉर्ड कृष्ण यबे when avatar descends सर्व अंश आश्रय the shelter of all other Vishnu tattvas. सर्व अंश all plenary portions ashi coming tabe at that time krishnete in Krishna melay join. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna appears, he is the shelter of all plenary parts. Thus at the time all his plenary portions join in him. येई रूपे जाने से ताह कय सकल संभवे कृष्ण के छु मिथ्या नहीं. येई whatever रूपे in the form jane one knows say he Tah that kahi says Sakala Sambhave Krishna. Everything is possible in Krishna. Kechu mithya nahi. There is no falsity. In whatever form one knows the Lord, one speaks of Him in that way. In this, there is no falsity, since everything is possible in Krishna. In this connection, we may mention an incident that took place between two of our sannyasis while we were preaching the Hare Krishna Mahamantra in Hyderabad. One of them stated that Hare Rama refers to Sri Balaram, and other protested that Hare Rama means Lord Rama. Ultimately, the controversy came to me, and I gave the decision that if someone says that the Rama in the Hare Rama is Lord Ramachandra, and someone else says that Rama in the Hare Rama is Sri Balaram, both are correct because there is no difference between Sri Balarama and Lord Rama. Here in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita we find that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has stated the same conclusion. Yehi rupe jane sei tah kai sakala sambhave Krishna kichu mithya nahi. If someone calls Lord Ramachandra by the vibration of Hare Rama, understanding it to mean O Lord Ramachandra, he is quite right. Similarly, if one says Hare Rama means O Shri Balaram, he is also right. Those who are aware of the Vishnu Tattva do not fight over all this. Do not fight over all these details. In the Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Sri Rupa Goswami has explained Krishna's being both Kshirodakshaya Vishnu and Narayana in the spiritual sky and expanding in the quadruple forms known as Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. He has refuted the idea that Krishna is an incarnation of Narayana. Some devotees think that Narayana is the original personality of Godhead and that Krishna is an incarnation. Even Shankaracharya in his commentary on Bhagavad Gita has accepted Narayana as the transcendental personality of Godhead who appeared as Krishna, the son of Devaki and Vasudeva. Therefore, this matter may be difficult to understand, but the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya headed by Sri Rupa Goswami has established the principle of Bhagavad Gita that everything emanates from Krishna who stays in the Bhagavad Gita. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the original source of everything. Everything includes Narayana. Therefore, Rupa Goswami in his Laghu Bhagavatamrita has established that Krishna, not Narayana, is the original personality of Godhead. In this connection, he has quoted a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 3.2.15 that states, Swashanta Rupeshwa Itarah Swaruper Abhyardya Maneshu Anukampitatma Paravareshu Mahad Amsha Yukto Haya Ajo Api Jato Bhagavan Yathagni. When the pure devotee of the Lord like Vasudeva are greatly disturbed by dangerous demons like Kamsa, Lord Krishna joins with all his pastime expansions such as Lord of Vaikuntha, and although unborn becomes manifest, just as fire becomes manifest by the friction of the arani wood. Arani wood is used to ignite a sacrificial fire without matches or any other flame. Just as fire appears from the arani wood, the Supreme Lord appears when there is friction between devotees and non-devotees. When Krishna appears, he appears in full, including within himself all his expansion, such as Narayana, Vasudeva, Sankarshan, Aniruddha, and Pradyumna. Krishna is always integrated with his other incarnations like Narsingadev, Varaha, Vaman, Naranarayana, Hayagriva, and Ajita. In Vrindavan, Lord Krishna sometimes exhibits the functions of such incarnations. In the Brahmanda Purana, it is said the same personality of Godhead who is known in Vaikuntha as the four-handed Narayana, the friend of all living entities, and in the milk ocean as the Lord of Shwetadeep, and who is the best of all Purushas, appeared as the son of Nanda. In a fire, there are many sparks of different dimensions. Some of them are very big and some are small. The small sparks are compared to living entities and the large sparks are compared to Vishnu expansion of Lord Krishna. All the incarnation emanate from Krishna, and after the end of the pastimes, they again merge in Krishna. Therefore, in various Puranas, Krishna is described sometimes as Narayana, sometimes as Kshirodakshaya Vishnu, sometimes as Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, and sometimes as Vaikuntanath, the Lord of Vaikuntha, because Krishna is always full. Mula Sankarshana is in Krishna. And since all incarnations are manifested from Mula Sankarshana, it should be understood that he can manifest different incarnation by his supreme will, even in the presence of Krishna. Great sages have therefore glorified the Lord by different names. Thus, when the original person, the source of all incarnation, is sometimes described as an incarnation, there is no discrepancy. अतएव श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गोसाई सर्व अवतार लीला करी सबारे देखाई. Therefore Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gosai, the Lord Sarva, all, Avatara Leela, the pastimes of different incarnation Kari, exhibiting Sabare to everyone, Dekhai, he showed. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has exhibited to everyone all the pastimes of Lord, all the pastimes of all the various incarnations. एई रूपे नित्यानंद अनंत प्रकाश सेई भावे कहे मोई चैतन्य रदास. एई रूपे in this way Nityananda, Lord Nityananda, Ananta Prakash, unlimited manifestations. Sei bhave in that transcendental emotion. Kahe he says, Moi I Chaitanya Radas, the servant of Lord Chaitanya. Thus Lord Nityananda has unlimited incarnations. In the transcendental emotion, he calls himself a servant of Lord Chaitanya. कभु गुरु कभु सखा कभु भृत्य लीला पूर्वे येन तीन भावे व्रजे कैला खेला. कभु sometimes guru, spiritual master Kabhu, sometimes Sakha, friend Kabhu, sometimes Bhritya Leela, past times as a servant, Purve, formerly Yena, as Tina Bhave, in three different moods, Braje, in Vrindavan, Kaila Khela, plays with Krishna. Sometimes he serves Lord Chaitanya as his guru, sometimes as his friend, sometimes as a servant, just as Lord Balaram played with Lord Krishna in these three different moods in Braja. वृषहैया कृष्ण सने माथा माथी राण कभु कृष्ण करे तार पाद संवाहन. वृषहैया becoming a bull, Krishna sane with Krishna, matha mathi ran, fighting head to head. Kabhu sometimes Krishna kare does tar his pad samvahan, massaging the feet, playing like a bull. Lord Balaram fights with Krishna head to head, and sometimes Lord Krishna massages the feet of Lord Balaram. अपना के भृत्य करी कृष्ण प्रभु जाने, कृष्णेर कलार कला अपना के माने. अपना के himself भृत्य करी, considering a servant, Krishna Prabhu, master jane, he knows Krishner of Lord Krishna, kalar kala, as a plenary portion of the plenary portion. Apana ke himself mane, he accepts, he considers himself a servant and knows Krishna to be his master. Thus he regards himself as a fragment of his plenary portion. वृषयमानु नर्दन्ततो युयुधाते परस्परम् अनुकृत्य रुदतिर्जन्तुंश्चेरतुः प्राकृतौ यथा. वृषयमानु becoming like bulls, नर्दन्ततो making roaring sounds, युयुधाते both used to fight, parasparam each other, anukritya imitating, rutai with cries, jantun the animals, cheratuh used to play, prakrito ordinary boys, yatha acting just like ordinary boys, they played like roaring bulls as they fought each other, and they imitated the calls of various animals. This and the following quotation are from Bhagavatam 10.11.40 and 10.15.14. क्वचित् क्रीड परिश्रान्तं गोपत्सङ्गोपभारणं स्वयं विश्रामयति आर्यं पादसंवाहनादिभिः. Kvachit, sometimes Krida playing, Parishrantam very much fatigued, Gopa Utsanga the lap of cowherd boy, Barhanam to whose pillow, Swayam personally Lord Krishna, Vishramayati causing to rest, Aryam his elder brother, Pada Samvahana Adibhi by massaging his feet etc. Sometimes when Lord Krishna's elder brother, Lord Balaram, felt tired after playing and lay his head on the lap of cowherd boy, Lord Krishna himself served him by massaging his feet. Keyamba Kuta Ayata Deva Vanari Utta Suri प्रायो मायास्तु मे भर्तुर नान्य में अपि विमोहिनी. कहु इयम this va or kutah, from where ayata has come, devi whether demigod va or nari woman, uta asuri demoness. Prayah in most cases maya illusory energy, astu she must be, me may my bhartu of the master of Lord Krishna, na not anya any other, may my api certainly, vimohini bewilderer. Who is this mystic power and where has she come from? Is she the demigod or a demoness? She must be the illusory energy of my master Lord Krishna, for who else can bewilder me? The playful pastimes of Lord caused suspicion in the mind of Lord Brahma, and therefore Lord Brahma, to test Krishna's lordship, stole all the Lord's calves and cowherd boys with his own mystic power. Sri Krishna responded, however, by replacing all the calves and boys in the field. Lord Balram's thought of astonishment at such wonderful retaliation are recorded in this verse, Bhagavatam 10.13.37. यस्याङ्घ्रिपङ्कजरजो अखिललोकपाले मौलै उत्तमे धृताम् उपासीततीर्थतीर्थं ब्रह्मा भावो अहम् अपि यस्य कलाः कलायः श्रीश्च उद्वहेम चिरम् अस्य नृपासनं क्व यस्य whose आङ्घ्रिपङ्कज lotus-like feet Rajah, the dust, Akhila Loka of the universal planetary systems, Pale, by the masters, Mauli Uttamai, with the valuable turbans on their heads, Tritam accepted, Upasita worship, Tirtha Tirtham, the sanctifier of the holy places, Brahma, Lord Brahma, Bhava, Lord Shiva, Ahamapi, even I, Yasya, of whom Kalaha, portion, Kalaya, of the plenary portion, Shri, the goddess of fortune, Cha, and Udvahema, we carry Chiram eternally, Asya, of him, Nripa Asanam, the throne of King Kwa, where what is the value of the throne to Lord Krishna? The masters of various planetary systems accept the dust of his lotus feet on their crowned heads. That dust makes the holy places sacred, and even Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lakshmi, and I myself, who are all portions of his plenary portions, eternally carry that dust on our heads. When the Kauravas, to flatter Baladeva so that he would become their ally, spoke ill of Sri Krishna, Lord Baladev became angry and spoke this verse. एकले ईश्वर कृष्ण आर सब भृत्य यारे याचे नाचाय से ताचे करे नृत्य. Ekale, alone, Ishwar, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, are others, sub, all, Bhritya, servants, Yare, unto whom, Yaiche, as, Nachaya, he calls to dance, say, he, Taiche, in that way, Kare Nritya, dances. Lord Krishna alone is the supreme controller and all others are his servants. They dance as he makes them to do so. ए मत चैतन्य गोसाई एकले ईश्वर आर सब परिषद के वकिंकर. A mata, in this way, Chaitanya Gosai, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ekale, alone, Ishwar, Supreme Personality of Godhead, are sub, all others, Parishad, associates, Keha, someone, Va, or Kinkar, servants. Thus, Lord Chaitanya is also the only controller. All others are his associates or servants. गुरु वर्ग नित्यानंद अद्वैत आचार्य श्रीवासादि आर्यत लघु समार सबे परिषद सबे लीलार सहाय सब लैया निज कार्य साधे गौर राय. Guru Varga, elders Nityananda, Lord Nityananda, Advaita Acharya and Advaitacharya, Srivasadi, Srivas Thakur and others are others, yet all Lagusam are junior, equal or superior, Sabe equal, Parishad, associates, Sabe everyone, Leela Sahaya, helpers in the past times, Sabe Laya, taking all of them, Nijakarya, his own names, Sadhi, executes, Gauraraya, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. His elders such as Lord Nityananda, Advaitacharya and Srivasa Thakur, as well as his other devotees, whether his juniors, equals or superiors, are all his associates who help him in his pastimes. Lord Gauranga fulfilled his aim with their help. Advaita Acharya Nityananda Dui Yang Dui Jana Laya Prabhurayata Kichuranga. Advaita Acharya Sri Advaitacharya Nityananda Lord Nityananda Dui Yang, two limbs of the Lord, Dui Jana Laya, taking the two of them, Prabhur of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Yata all Kichu some Ranga, playful activities. Sri Advaitacharya and Srila Nityananda Prabhu, who are plenary parts of Lord, are his principal associates. With these two, the Lord performs his pastimes in various ways. Advaita Acharya Gosai Sakshat Ishwar Prabhu Guru Kari Maneti Hota Kinkar. Advaita Acharya Gosai, the Lord Sakshat Ishwar, directly the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Prabhu, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru Kari Mane, accepts him as a teacher. Tihota Kinkar, but he is the servant. Lord Advaitacharya is directly the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Although Lord Chaitanya accepts him as his preceptor, Advaitacharya is a servant of Lord. Lord Chaitanya always offered respects to Advaita Prabhu as he would to his father, because Advaita was even older than his father. Yet Advaita Prabhu always considered himself as servant of Lord Chaitanya. Sri Advaita Prabhu and Ishwara Puri, Lord Chaitanya's spiritual master, were both disciples of Madhvendra Puri, who was also the spiritual master of Nityananda Prabhu. Thus, Advaita Prabhu, as Lord Chaitanya's spiritual uncle, was always to be respected, because one should respect one's spiritual master's god brother as one's respect one's spiritual master. Because of all these considerations, Sri Advaita Prabhu was superior to Lord Chaitanya, yet Advaita Prabhu considered himself Lord Chaitanya's subordinate. आचार्य गोसाईर तत्व नाय कथन कृष्ण अवतारी हो तरिल भुवन. Acharya Gosaira of Advaitacharya Tattva, the truth Naya Kathana cannot be described. Krishna, Lord Krishna, Avatari, making descent, Yeho, who, Tarila, delivered Bhuvana, all the world. I cannot describe the truth of Advaitacharya. He has delivered the entire world by making Lord Krishna descend. नित्यानंद स्वरूप पूर्वे हैया लक्ष्मण लघु भ्राता हैया करे रामेर सेवन. नित्यानंद स्वरूप Lord Nityananda Swarup पूर्वे formerly हैया becoming Lakshman Lord Ramachandra's younger brother. Laghu Bhratera हैया becoming the younger brother. Kare does Ramera Sevan, service to Lord Ramachandra. Lord Nityananda Swarup formerly appeared as Lakshman and served Lord Ramachandra as his younger brother. Among the sannyasis of Shankara Sampradaya, there are different names for brahmacharis. Each sannyasi has some assistants known as brahmacharis, who are called by different names according to the name of sannyasi. Among such brahmacharis, there are 4 names: Swarup, Anand, Prakash, and Chaitanya. Nityananda Prabhu maintained himself as a brahmachari. He never took sannyas. As a brahmachari, his name was Nityananda Swarup, and therefore the sannyasi under whom he was living must have been from tirthas or ashramas of the Shankara Sampradaya, because one of the names for the assistant brahmachari of such sannyasi is Swarupa. रामेर चरित्र सब दुखेर कारण स्वतंत्र लीलाय दुख सहीन लक्ष्मण. रामेर चरित्र सब, all activities of Lord Ramachandra, दुखेर कारण, causes of suffering, स्वतंत्र although independent, लीलाय in the past tense, dukha unhappiness, sahina Lakshman tolerates. Activities of Lord Rama were full of suffering, but Lakshmana of his own accord tolerated all that suffering. निषेध करीते याते छोटा भाई मौन धरी रहे लक्ष्मण माने दुख पाई. निषेध करीते नारे, unable to prohibit Lord Ramachandra, yate because Chota Bhai, younger brother, Monadhari, becoming silent rahe, remains Lakshmana mane in the mind, dukha unhappiness pai, getting. As the younger brother, he could not stop Lord Rama from his resolution, so he remained silent, although unhappy in his mind. कृष्ण अवतारे ज्येष्ठ हैला सेवार कारण कृष्ण के करैला नाना सुख आस्वादन. Krishna avatare, in the incarnation of Lord Krishna, Jeshta Haila, he became the elder brother Sevar Karan for the purpose of service. Krishna ke to Krishna Karaila made Nana various Sukha, happiness, Aswadana, tasting. When Lord Krishna appeared, he, Balaram, became his elder brother to serve him to his heart's content and make him enjoy all sorts of happiness. राम लक्ष्मण कृष्ण रामेर राम लक्ष्मण कृष्ण रामेर अंश विशेष अवतार काले दोहे दोहाते प्रवेश. Ram Lakshman, Ramachandra and Lakshman, Krishna Ramir Amsha Vishesh, particular expansions of Lord Krishna and Lord Balram, Avatar Kale at the time of incarnation, Dohe, both of them, Ram and Lakshman, Dohate Pravesh, entered into them, both Krishna and Balaram. Sri Ram and Sri Lakshman, who are plenary portion of Lord Krishna and Lord Balaram respectively, entered into them at the time of Krishna's and Balaram's appearance. With reference to the Vishnu Dharmottara, the Laghu Bhagavatamrita explains that Rama is an incarnation of Vasudeva, Lakshmana is an incarnation of Sankarshan, Bharata is an incarnation of Pradyumna, and Shatrughan is an incarnation of Aniruddha. The Padma Puran describes that Ramachandra is Narayana and that Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughan are respectively Shesha, Chakra, Shankha, the conch shell in the hand of Narayana. In the in the Rama Gita of Skanda Purana, Lakshmana, Bharat and Shatrughan have been described as the triple attendants of Lord Rama. सेयी अंश लय्या ज्येष्ठ कनिष्ठाभिमान अंशांशी रूपे शास्त्रे कर ये व्याख्यान से अंशलय्य taking that plenary portion ज्येष्ठ कनिष्ठ अभिमान considering themselves the elder or younger amshi रूपे as the expansion and the original supreme personality of Godhead shastre in the revealed scriptures कर ये thus व्याख्यान explanation Krishna and Balaram present themselves as younger brother and elder brother, but in the scriptures they are described as the original supreme personality of Godhead and its expansion. रामादिमूर्तिषु कलनियमेन तिष्ठान् नानावतारम् अकरोद भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्ण स्वयं सम्भवात् परमः पुमान्यो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Ramadi, the incarnation of Lord Rama, etc. Murtishu in different forms. Kala Niyamena, by the order of the plenary portion. Tishthan, existence. Nana, various avataram, incarnation, akarut, executed. Bhuvaneshu, within the world. Kintu, but Krishna, Lord Krishna, Swayam, personally, Sambhavat, appeared. Parama, the supreme Puman. Person yah who Govindam unto Lord Govinda Adi Purusham, the original person, Tam unto him, Aham I Bhajami, offering obeisances. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who by his various plenary portions appears in the world in different forms and incarnations such as Lord Rama, but who personally appears in his supreme original form as Lord Krishna. This quotation from Brahma Samhita 5.39. श्री चैतन्य से कृष्ण नित्यानंद राम नित्यानंद पूर्ण करे चैतन्य काम. Sri Chaitanya, Lord Sri Chaitanya, say Krishna, that original Krishna, Nityananda, Lord Nityananda, Rama, Balarama, Nityananda, Lord Nityananda, Purna Kare, fulfills Chaitanya Kama, all the desires of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya is the same Lord Krishna, and Lord Nityananda is Lord Balaram. Lord Nityananda fulfills all the Lord Chaitanya's desires. नित्यानंद महिमा सिंधु अनंत अपार एक कर्ण स्पर्शी मात्र से कृपा तहार. नित्यानंद महिमा of the glories of Lord Nityananda, Sindhu, the ocean, Ananta, unlimited, apar, unfathomed, Eka one fragment, Sparshi, I touch, Matra, only, say that, Kripa, mercy, Tahar, his, the ocean of Lord Nityananda's glories is infinite and unfathomable. Only by his mercy can I touch even a drop of it. आर एक शून तार कृपार महिमा अधम जीवेर छाड़ाइला ऊर्ध्व सीमा. Are another Eka one Shuna, please here Tar Kripar Mahima, glory of his mercy. Adhama Jivere, the downtrodden living being. Chadaila, he elevated Urdhva Seema to the topmost limit. Please listen to another glory of his mercy. He made a fallen living entity climb to the highest limit. वेद कुह्य कथा ए अयोग्य कहीते तथापि कहिए तार कृपा प्रकाशिते. Veda Guhya Katha, like the Vedas Guhya, very confidential Katha, incident I this Ayogya Kahite, not fit to disclose, Tathapi still Kahiye, I speak, Tar, his, Kripa, mercy, Prakashite, to manifest. To disclose it is not proper, for it should be kept as confidential as the Vedas. Yet I shall speak of it to make his mercy known to all. उल्लास उपरि लेखो तुम्हार प्रसाद नित्यानंद प्रभु मोर क्षम अपराध. उल्लास उपरि, on account of great ecstasy, लेखो I write, तुम्हार प्रसाद, your mercy. Nityananda Prabhu, Lord Nityananda, more my kshama, please excuse aparadh. Lord Nityananda, I write your mercy out of great exultation, please forgive for my offences. अवधूत गोसाईरा एक भृत्य प्रेम धाम मीण केतन रामदास हय तार नाम. Avdhuta, the mendicant co-signer of Nityananda, Eka, one, Pritya, servant, Prema Dhama, reservoir of love, Meena Ketan, Ramadas, Haya is Tar, his Naam, name. Lord Nityananda Prabhu had a servant named Sri Meena Ketan Ramdas, who was a reservoir of love. Amar alaye ahoratra sankirtane, tahate ailate ho paya nimantrana. Amare alai, at my house aharatra, day and night sankirtan, chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Tahate, on account of his aila, came teho he payane mantran, getting an invitation. At my house there was sankirtan day and night, and therefore he visited there, having been invited. महाप्रेममय तिहो वसैला अंगणे सकल वैष्णव तारे वंदिला चरणे. Mahapremamay, absorbed in the emotional love, Tiho, he Vasila, Sat Angane, in the courtyard, Sakala Vaishnava, all of the Vaishnavas, Tar, his Vandela worshipped Charani, lotus feet, absorbed in the emotional love, he sat in my courtyard, and all the Vaishnavas bowed down at his feet. नमस्कार करते करे उपरेते चढ़े प्रेमे करे वंशी मारे कहाँ के चापड़े. Namaskar karite while offering obeisance, bowing down. Kara of someone uparete on the body. Chade gets up. Preme in the ecstatic love. Kare someone. Vamshi the flute. Mare strikes. Kaha ke someone. Chapade slaps. In joyful mood of love, God sometimes climbed upon the shoulder of someone offering obeisances, and sometimes he struck others with his flute or mildly slapped him. ये नयन देखिते अश्रुहय मन यार से नेत्रे अविच्छिन्न वही अश्रुधार. Ye his Nayana eyes dekite seeing ashru tears haya appear mane from the mind yar of someone sei netre in his eyes avichinna continuously vahi flows ashrudhar a shower of tears. When someone saws the eyes of Meniketan Ramdas, tears would automatically flow from his own eyes, for a constant shower of tears flowed from the eyes of Meniketan Ramdas. कभू कोन अंगे देखी पुलक कदम्ब एक अंगे जड़े तार आर अंगे कंप. Kabhu sometimes kona some ange in the parts of body dekhi I see pulak kadampa eruptions of ecstasy like kadampa flowers. Ekange in one part of the body, jade stunned, tar his ar ange in another limb, kampa trembling. Sometimes there were eruptions of ecstasy like kadampa flowers on some parts of his body, and sometimes one limb would be stunned while other would be trembling. नित्यानंद बलि बकरेण हुंकार ताहा देखी लोके रहय महा चमत्कार. Nityanand, the name Nityananda Bali, saying Yabe whenever Karena Hunkar makes great sound, taha dekhi, seeing that lokera of the people here, there is Mahachamatkar, great wonder and astonishment. Whenever he shouted aloud the name Nityananda, the people around him were filled with great wonder and astonishment. गुणा नव मिश्र नामे एक विप्र आर्य श्रीमूर्ति निकटे तेहु करे सेवा कार्य. गुणा नव मिश्र of Gunarnava Mishra, name by the name Eka one Vipra Brahman Arya, very respectable. Sri Murti Nekate by the side of the deity Teho, he Kare does Seva Karya, activities and devotion. One respectable Brahman named Sri Gunarnava Mishra was serving the deity. अंगणे अशिया ते होना कैला संभास ताहा देखी क्रुद्ध हैया बले रामदास. Angane to the courtyard Ashiya coming Teho he na not Kaila did Sambhas address. Taha dekhi seeing this Krudhaya becoming angry. Bale says Ramadas, Sri Ramadas. When Meniketan was seated in the yard, this Brahmana did not offer him respect. Seeing this, Sri Ramadas became angry and spoke. एतद्वितीय श्रुत रोमहर्षण बलदेव देखिए न कैल प्रत्युद्गम. This Dvitiya second Shuta Romaharshan Suta Baladeva Dekhi, seeing the Lord Balaram, ye who na not Kaila did Pratyudgama stand up. Here I find the second Romaharshan Sut, who did not stand to show honor when he saw Lord Balaram. Eta bali nache gaya karaye santosh Krishna kare kare vipra na kare larush. Eta bali, saying this, nache, he dances, gaya chants, Karaye Santosh, becomes satisfied. Krishna Kare, the duties of deity worship, Kare performs. Vipra, the Brahman, Nakarela, did not become Rosh, angry. After saying this, he danced and sang to his heart's content, but the Brahman did not become angry, for he was then serving Lord Krishna. Meniketan Ramdas was a great devotee of Lord Nityananda. When he entered the house of Krishnadas Kaviraj, Gunarnava Mishra, the priest who was worshipping the deity installed in the house, did not receive him very well. A similar event occurred when Romaharshan Sutta was speaking to the great assembly of sages at Naimisharanya. Lord Baldev entered that great assembly, but since Romaharshan Sutta was on the Vyasasana, he did not get down to offer respect to Lord Baladev. The behavior of Gunarnava Mishra indicated that he had no great respect for Lord Nityananda, and this idea was not at all palatable to Meniketan Ramadas. For this reason, the mentality of Meniketan Ramadas is never deprecated by devotees. उत्सवांते गेला तिहो करिया प्रसाद मोरा भ्राता सने तार केचु हैलावाद. Utsav ante, after the festival Gela went away tiho he kariya prasad, showing mercy more of me brata sane with a brother tar of him kichu some haila. There was Vad controversy. At the end of the festival, me and Ketan Ramdas went away, offering his blessings to everyone. At that time, he had some controversy with my brother. चैतन्य प्रभु ते तार सुदृढ़ विश्वास नित्यानंद प्रति तार विश्वास आभास चैतन्य प्रभु ते unto Lord Chaitanya tar his सुदृढ़ विश्वास fixed faith Nityananda Prati unto Lord Nityananda tar his Vishwas Abhas dim reflection of faith. The brother had firm faith in Lord Chaitanya but only a dim glimmer of faith in Lord Nityananda. Iha jani Ramadasera dukha haila mane tabe ta bhrater amika karinu bhratsane. Iha this jani knowing Ramadasera of the Saint Ramadas dukha unhappiness haila there was mane in the mind tabe at the time certainly bhrater to my brother Ami I Karinu did but son a chastisement. Knowing this, Sri Ramadas felt unhappy in his mind. Then I then rebuked my brother. दुई भाई एक तनु समान प्रकाश नित्यानंद न मान तोमार हबे सर्वनाश दुई भाई two brothers एक तनु one body समान प्रकाश equal manifestation Nityananda Lord Nityananda न माने you do not believe तोमार your हबे that will be सर्वनाश downfall. These two brothers, I told him, are like one body. They are identical manifestations. If you do not believe in Lord Nityananda, you will fall down. एकते विश्वास अन्य न कर समान अर्थ कुकुटी न्याय तोमार प्रमाण एकते विश्वास faith in one अन्य in the other not कर do saman respect अर्ध कुकुटी न्याय the logic of accepting half of hen तोमार your praman evidence. If you have faith in one but disrespect the other, your logic is like the logic of accepting the half a hen. किंबा दोहा न मानी न हो तपाषंड एक मानी या न मानी ए मत भंड Kimba otherwise Doha Mani both of them not Manina accepting how you become ta certainly Pashand atheist Eka one of them Mani accepting Are other Namani not accepting Eimata. This kind of faith Bhanda hypocrisy. It would be better to be an atheist by slighting both brothers than a hypocrite by believing in one and slighting the other. क्रुद्ध हैया वंशी भंगी चले रामदास तत्काले हमारे भ्रातर हैला सर्वनाश क्रुद्ध हैया being very angry Vamshi the flute Bhangi breaking Chali departs Ramdas tatkale at that time Amar my brother of my brother Haila there was Sarvanash downfall. Thus Sri Ramadas broke his flute in anger and went away. At that time my brother fell down. एक कहिला तार सेवक प्रभाव आर एक कही तार दयार स्वभाव Eita Kahila explained Tar of him Sevaka Prabhav, the power of servant, are other Eka, one Kahi, I say Tar, his Dayar of mercy, Swabhav characteristics. I have thus described the power of servant of Lord Nityananda. Now I shall describe another characteristics of his mercy.